follow my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all like how I did that, Bistro family? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to make the most amazing queso. So we have a pound of American cheese, and that's white American cheese. We got 1 can of carnation evaporated milk, and then we got 1 poblano pepper. Now, your first thing you want to do is dry roast this poblano pepper, and since we don't have a gas stove, we're going to dry roast it in a high broiler. So pop that poblano in a broiler, in the oven, and under the broiler setting, the high setting, pop it in there and just let it go. And then we're going to cube up our cheese. If you know anything about a poblano, sometimes they are hot, sometimes they're not. You never know what you're going to get. So we're going to use 1 big poblano. So get all that cheese into a saucepan and then go in directly with that 1 whole can of carnation milk. And for that 1 pound of cheese and this 1 can of carnation milk, that is the perfect ratio for this queso. All right, once your poblano is all blistered up, pop it out of the oven, and then go ahead and pop it in a bowl and place some saran wrap on there and let it steam. And we're letting it steam, so once it's finished steaming, we can actually peel all of that skin off of the outside of the poblano. Now this thing is very hot when you're working with it, so just be careful. But go ahead and take all that skin off, and if it steamed well enough, the skin should pop right off. So you're going to take all the skin off, and then you're going to take the seeds out, because most of the heat lie in the seeds. So if you don't want it too spicy, just take the seeds out. Plus you don't want seeds all in your queso, so just remove the seeds. And then once you get it all de-seeded and all of the skin off, go ahead and we're going to dice those peppers. And I just chopped it down just a little bit more because my daughter, she really don't like big chunks and things, so I just chopped it down just a little bit more, but you still see the texture, but you pretty much can do that how you want. And then you're gonna pop it into that milk and cheese mixture that you had over a low heat, and just go ahead and add the peppers to it and begin to whisk. Now you want to keep whisking, and you want to have this in a pan where it's non-stick, so you don't have to worry about your cheese sticking or scorching or burning. But make sure you just continue to whisk it, and that'll keep the cheese moving, so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan, and you're just infusing the poblano peppers into this queso. And that's pretty much it. This is a simple recipe, but it is the best queso you'll ever have on restaurant quality. I did add a pinch of salt to that queso, but you don't have to do that, especially if you're using these chili, lime, and salted tortilla chips like I am. But there you have it, man. The most amazing restaurant style queso. Simple video, easy video, quick video, great recipe, and it's a lot cheaper than going to your favorite Mexican spot, buying that queso, and it's more delicious in my opinion. And then I'm just topping the queso off with some of that good quality pico de gallo. If you need any help making that, I'll link my quesadilla burger video down below, and you'll see exactly how to make that pico de gallo. Very limey, very pungent, pack a lot of flavor, and it just goes great with this queso. But there you have it, man, the most amazing queso from the Bistro, Mexican restaurant style queso from the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The most amazing queso from the Bistro. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.